Gold versus crypto. I can't think of two asset classes that could be more different yet parallel in so many ways. And I'm going to get into gold versus crypto and talk about the similarities, the differences, and which ones you might want to think about investing in. But before that, is there really any more polar opposite people representing each one of these investments? I really can't think of anything else that is more different. On one hand, you have gold right here, like this Pam Sweets Gold bar. You'll hear people that are older generations that talk about the store value, the use cases, bang, right here in the Rolex. Used everywhere, silver too. And it's an older, timeless investment that's been around forever. Tradable anywhere in the world. Usually people that are older know about gold and silver. They're wise. As you get older, you get wiser. So that's really who's backing this thing. You look at people like George Soros. You look at Stanley Druckenmiller, Ron Paul. There's no young cats in there. Now on the other hand, crypto is the youngest generation of savvy, geeky, techie, nerdy, live in my parents' basement, playing on a computer all day, playing video games all day, investment out there. I mean, really, these two things are so different. On one hand, you have all these gold store value. Gold is very safe. Let's retire with gold because I do not want to invest in the stock market because it's so volatile right now. Gold is the best thing to hold. And I don't disagree with that one bit. If you've watched our videos, which you should be, subscribe below and join our newsletter, tageconomy.org, please. We will keep you informed on what goes on with gold, silver, precious metals, the economy, inflation, everything that goes along with it. But on the other hand, you've got crypto. And crypto is like the crypto bros business. It's like all these dudes, yo, Lambo, yo, Bitcoin to the moon. Bitcoin's gonna go up 10x, bro. Ethereum, 100x, bro. I've been to the meetups. I live near Miami. I go to the meetups in Wynwood. Holy smokes. If you don't have a Lambo, wearing Yeezys, wearing an Audemars Piguet watch or something similar and gold chains around your neck and a hat on sideways and you're dancing, you got your glow sticks, you're going to the clubs at night, you're getting bottle service, maybe going to the bar a little bit for some lap dances. That is the crypto society we are in. It is a younger, youthful generation of people that simply are looking to really 10x, 100x, 1000x their net worth. And a lot of times it just does not work out. Gold, on the other hand, stands the test of time. You can look back at the charts. It's up huge since 2000. It's up huge since 2017. Crypto, on the other hand, is more of a micro investment. So let's get into exactly what the best investment is for you and think about where you're at in your life. Is that going to be the biggest answer on which one you should be holding? So full transparency, I'm 45 years old. A lot of my son's friends that I hang out with, play soccer with, say I'm the coolest, youngest, hippest dad out of all of them. Most of his friends' parents are 5 to 10, even 15, 20 years older than me. I had my son at a young age. But not that young, I was 25 years old. But I can hang with them. I can talk their talk. I talk crypto with them. I talk finance with them. I talk about the English Premier League soccer with them, football, basketball, you name it. I'm on their level. But I'm also on the other side. I belong to a very astute cigar club here in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And it is older, wise gentlemen, businessmen, and they're more on the other side. I'm like right in between. My wife says I'm a total frat boy. Sometimes I can be. But on the other side, I'm a man who goes to bed at 9:30 every night and gets up at 5 a.m. every night and gets to work and hustles. Gets up and plays pickleball with the same group of people every single morning. Golfs with the same guys. Smokes cigars with the same guys. That's just me. I'm very organized and detailed. I can get down with the crypto bros, but my finances and my mindset is more along the other. So I'm a rare blend of young, old, I don't know. Maybe I'm an old soul trapped in a young kid's body who likes to get out and escape and enjoy life once in a while. I don't know. I don't really know. Where I'm going with this is this. Everything you invest in depends on your goals, your time horizon, and when you want to access the money. Right now, cryptocurrency is in a serious bull run. And depending on when you watch this video, it could have totally tanked by then, right? But today recording this video, Bitcoin's near $40,000. It's been as low as 6 in the last 5 years and as high as 66. So if you are older, do you really want to gamble with that, right? If you're nearing retirement, you want to save up your money. Do you want to gamble with cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, right? That is a big decision you have to make. Personally, I'm invested in gold, silver, Bitcoin, scaling out of stocks and mutual funds, as I've talked about many times on this channel. But I do play the cryptocurrency market a little bit. I did buy a lot of it when it went down 90% in the last 2 years. So we are in a nice little run right now, and I've recovered sharply on that. So if you're in a younger generation, investing in cryptocurrency is something you can take chances on. You got your whole life to make your money back. If you're somewhere in the middle, like me, you might want to be somewhere in the middle where you're playing a little bit with the cryptocurrency market, but you want to have that safe haven asset because we're entering some bad fiscal times, you guys. We got wars going on, we got inflation, and I've talked about in past videos, an election that is going to be a war. I'm talking about vote stealing, rigging stuff, throwing dirt in people's eyes. It's going to be like WWE in the 90s. Hulk Hogan against Andre the Giant. It's going to be nasty, guys. I'm telling you, this election is going to have so much influence on the market. It's absolutely incredible. So for that reason, I have added gold and silver to my precious metals IRA. If you're near retirement, when I say near retirement, I consider that 45 plus. If you want to safeguard your retirement, 18 plus. Whatever you have in there, 5 to 20% of your liquid retirement portfolio you have in there can be transferred into gold and silver IRAs if you prefer to do so. I also have, as I showed you right here, some bullion and home storage safes and some in the bank safes that I have at. But anyways, that is what is going on with the markets right now. If you are nearing retirement, gold is an absolutely phenomenal place to park some money because we're going to hit economic times that are going to be very difficult. And when that happens, gold and silver and other precious metals go to the moon. Oh, speaking of moon, cryptocurrency, right? That's the big thing right now. Bitcoin is halving next year. So let's dive into Bitcoin a little bit and cryptocurrency overall in general as an investment. If you're on the younger side of your life and you feel we are going the route of digital currency, which I do, and I'm in the mid stages of my life. I'd like to think I'm more on the front end than the back end, but if I'm playing golf, I'm probably on hole 7 or 8 right now. I don't know. My grandparents lived till their late 90s, so maybe I'm more towards hole 6 or 5. We'll see what happens with the genes. But when you go in with a mindset of we are going to digital currencies in the future, you absolutely want to park some money in Bitcoin, Ethereum. In fact, Robert Kiyosaki says the only 3 things he'll invest in right now are gold, silver, and Bitcoin. He's got Bitcoin going to 100K in some proclamations he's made online. He's got gold going to 75,000. Right now, this gold bar right here is trading around $2,000, okay? So when the economic times go low, you can store your money in precious metals, whether you buy directly and keep bullion or coins in your home, or you add it to your precious metals IRA like I did. There's a link below if you want to check that out. Go ahead and scope it out for yourself. Now, again, getting back to cryptocurrency. Yes, we are entering a bull market. People think Bitcoin is going to hit an all-time high in sometime in 2024. But remember, if you're near retirement age, Bitcoin is halving next year. There's going to be a huge rally, and then it's supposed to dump. From everything I read, I'm in private groups, masterminds, discords. I watch YouTube every single day. I record for YouTube a couple times a week. So I keep my pulse on this stuff. It's what I do for a living. If you're near retirement, I'm not saying you should gamble with Bitcoin. And also, many people near retirement don't want to mess around with the tokens and keeping them in cold storage wallets and keeping them on exchanges, which is a big no-no. Do not keep your cryptocurrency on exchanges. It's a big no-no. They can get wiped out. You could lose your key. Just don't. Have a cold storage wallet like a Ledger or Nano. Comment below if you need help with that. I can set you up just because I'm a friendly guy. The thing is, a lot of people nearing retirement age do not understand cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. They think, oh, it's Bitcoin, it's a token. They don't understand it. So what happens? Like you buy it on your computer, you never get to physically hold it like this gold, which I can go sell at any time, right? I can go, it's a very liquid market. But the Bitcoin, it's not a magical coin where you turn on your computer, you put money into Coinbase, and like Mario Brothers just starts making coins that spit out of your computer. No, you never get to physically hold them. You can put them in a wallet, you can keep them on the exchange, which again, I said is a big no-no, but a lot of people nearing retirement aren't as savvy to do that. They don't want to do that. They don't want that hassle. The safer play is right here. Bitcoin can be gambling. I'm gambling, but I'm not putting a ton of my net worth into it, right? Gambling is fine when you're younger. As you get older, you want a safe haven asset, and the only proven one is right here, gold and silver. Crypto versus gold will be talked about many, many times, and I will follow this trend as we go down turbulence in the economy. I'll cover each one. Both are little bets that I would take over the dollar, though. If I have to choose Bitcoin or fiat currency, I'm going Bitcoin all day long. Ethereum, Dogecoin, I don't care, PooCoin, whatever coin is out there, it's not going to be like the dollar, which we just keep printing, right? So do your own homework, do your own due diligence. That's my crypto versus gold take right now. What are your thoughts? Comment below. Thanks for following.